Hey guys, it's your boy Shahan, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing some train spotting here in Sandwell and Dudley. So you're going to be seeing services by London North Western Railway, Avanti West Coast, Cross Country and Transport for Wales, and we're going to get some waves and horns from drivers if we can. But anyways guys, let's see what shall turn up here. Let's get started. Right guys, so the first train to pass is going to be don't know what it's going to be yet, but it's going to be a passer.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 1 does not stop here.
So 350, nice tone. 350 238 and 350 233 and a Voyager 221 239 I think was on the rear, but I couldn't see what was at the front. That 221 actually scared me when it came out, guys. Okay guys, so now it's going to be another passer on platform 1. Also here's a train going to Shrewsbury, 170, a nice wave from the driver, 170 505, West Midlands Railway, Shrewsbury.
The next train at platform 1 does not stop here.
And here's another 350.
Wheelchairs and your belongings.
350 263. And here's 170 504 going to Shrewsbury. And we'll catch this one when it departs. Okay, so departing now is 170 504. The service to Shrewsbury. Next stop of this will be Wolverhampton.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 2 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Okay guys, passing through now is going to be another 350. 350 265. This one's going to Crewe. Right, arriving now is going to be 350 244, going to Wolverhampton I think. Yes, going to Wolverhampton. Nice. Catch this one on departure. Okay, departure now is going to be 350 244, going to Wolverhampton.
With more passengers expected to travel by train to the north, we want to ensure you have all the information you need. You can find this by visiting wmr.uk/.
Okay, so passing through now is 158826. No idea where that's going, but there goes that one. Okay, arriving now is going to be an Avanti West Coast 390 going from London Euston to Edinburgh. 390 123. Oh, sorry, this is the 1425 to Edinburgh. touch this one on departure. Okay guys, off goes the 14:25 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Edinburgh. There we go. Okay guys, past 3 now is going to be a 158. Nice wave. 158.931. A nice wave from the driver there, so thank you very much, sir. Okay guys, arriving now is going to be the 14:36 West Midlands Railway service to Warsaw. Well, actually, sorry, London and Euston Railway. (3:52.56). See this one depart as well. Kathleen's getting ready to depart now. 3:52.56 working the 14:36 London North Western Railway service to Warsaw. I don't know why they call it West Midlands Railway, because West Midlands Railways are class 170s. Nice turn from the driver there, thank you very much. Okay guys, past 3 now is 3:50. 233 and 3:50, 238 going to Liverpool Lime Street. Next off that will be Wolverhampton. Okay guys, it's going to be another passer on platform 1. No idea what it's going to be. Maybe a 3:50.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train
And pass
at
on platform 2.
1
Oh, sorry,
does
platform
not
1.
stop here. Please hold on to
So Voyager.
pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings.
Okay guys, arriving now is going to be the final train. This video will be a 14:46 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street. And we've got 170.508. Oh, looks like there's going to be a rear on the set of this one. Okay, I think it's getting ready to depart now. 14:46 West Midlands Railway service to go into Birmingham New Street. 570, 510. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.